Number 1. Rainbow Salad. First up, we have the rainbow salad. This vibrant dish is not only visually appealing but also packed with essential nutrients. Let's gather our ingredients. Start with a mix of leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. Add a variety of colorful vegetables like cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, cucumbers, and carrots for that burst of vitamins and antioxidants. Now, for the dressing, let's keep it light and refreshing. A simple vinaigrette with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a touch of honey will do the trick. Mix it all together, and there you have it, a nutrient-packed, low-calorie rainbow salad. Number 2. Quinoa Power Bowl. Moving on to our second lunch idea, the Quinoa Power Bowl. Quinoa is an excellent source of protein and fiber, making it a perfect choice for weight loss. Let's get started. Cook the quinoa according to the package instructions. While that's cooking, let's prepare our colorful toppings. We'll add grilled chicken for lean protein, sautéed veggies like broccoli and bell peppers, and some avocado for healthy fats. To tie it all together, whip up a flavorful sauce using Greek yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of salt. Pour it over your quinoa bowl, and you have a satisfying and nutritious lunch that will keep you energized throughout the day. Number 3. Veggie Wrap. Our third option is a veggie wrap, a quick and easy lunch that's perfect for those busy days. Let's see how it's done. Grab a whole grain wrap and load it up with hummus, thinly sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, and some fresh greens. You can also add a sprinkle of feta cheese for an extra burst of flavor. Wrap it all up, and there you have a portable, nutritious meal that's low in calories but high in satisfaction. It's a great option for those looking to reduce weight without compromising on taste. Number 4. Grilled Salmon Bowl. For our fourth lunch idea, we have a grilled salmon bowl that's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and loaded with nutrients. Let's get started. Begin by marinating your salmon fillets with a mix of lemon juice, garlic, and your favorite herbs. Grill the salmon until it's perfectly cooked. Meanwhile, cook some quinoa and roast a medley of vegetables such as zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and asparagus. Assemble your bowl by placing a bed of quinoa, adding the grilled salmon on top, and surrounding it with those flavorful roasted veggies. This dish is not only satisfying but also promotes a healthy heart and aids in weight loss. Number 5. Lentil and Vegetable Soup. Our fifth and final lunch idea is a comforting lentil and vegetable soup. Perfect for those looking for a warm and filling option during colder days. Let's dive in. Start by sautéing a mix of onions, carrots, and celery in a pot. Add in lentils, diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, and a variety of spices like cumin and paprika. Let it simmer until the lentils are tender and the flavors meld together. Serve yourself a hearty bowl of this soup, garnish with fresh herbs, and enjoy a low-calorie, high-fiber lunch that will keep you satisfied for hours. Plus, the fiber in lentils promotes a feeling of fullness, making it a great choice for weight management. There you have it, 5 delicious and nutritious lunch ideas to support your weight loss goals. Feel free to mix and match these options throughout the week for a well-rounded and satisfying meal plan. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.